Welcome to Right Step. Please click on the subscribe button so that you can be the first to receive future business startup videos. We're always creating more content with you in mind. And comments so that we can learn how to make better products for you. And don't forget to share. Presenting how a business startup kit can increase your startup success tenfold. I think you will agree with me when I say, fear, uncertainty and self-doubt are all raw feelings people experience when they consider the idea of starting their own business. It's scary. No doubt about that. As a startup, there is added pressure to be successful mostly because you are proving to yourself, your family and your friends that you can succeed in business. And that you are worthy, and have the gumption to make it happen. You probably know at least two things for sure. You want to be your own boss, and you want to make a profit. However, for many new entrepreneurs, it can be difficult to figure out how to start a business and to know exactly what kind of business will be the best choice. It's tough to find that perfect idea, let alone develop a business plan from scratch, develop a product that meets the market's needs, create a business model to attract and win customers, and learn where to network. There is a better way. You need a startup business kit. The reality is, in business, if you want to have the best chance of succeeding, rather than coming up with a great idea that nobody has come up with yet and hoping there's a market for it, instead find out what people are already buying and create a service or product that fills that existing need. But how do you find the right business idea and startup tools to start a successful business? In today's video I am going to show you how a business startup kit can increase your startup success tenfold. A business startup kit can seriously streamline your startup process. Right Step's business startup kits have identified profitable business idea and provide startup tools that give you the resources you need to start a business. A startup kit covers 6 vital resources to get your business off to a solid foundation. The kit contains awesome startup ideas, business startup checklist, business startup checklist video, business plan, marketing plan and financials. The awesome startup ideas. We've done the research for you. We identified businesses that are fun and profitable enterprises in barbecue service, beauty services, elderly relocation services, food cart, food truck, maid services, landscaping, janitorial, mobile marketing, packing, unpacking services, personalized products services, social media marketing, senior home companion services, temporary tattoos and wash and fold to name a few. In most cases your startup cost is less than $500. Each of these business types has grown quickly and can provide you with a good living for yourself and your family. Even better, many of them don't require a lot of capital to start out with. With the right combination of hard work, determination, and resourcefulness, you can start any one of these profitable small businesses. These niches aren't trendy, they've been best sellers for a long time because they appeal to people's deeply held wants and desires. The products may change, but these are core niches that will never go away and will always be part of the human experience. In most cases, these categories have been around long before the internet and are popular offline in bricks and mortar stores as well. And that means they've got staying power. Here's what you will be able to accomplish with the business startup checklist and video. The video has broken down the startup checklist into manageable portions. That addresses the primary tasks you'll need to accomplish to get your business operational within 90 days. The checklist contains the following sections. A business formation setup section. It covers how to choose your business name, how to select your business structure, how to incorporate your business online. The financial setup section. It covers how to obtain your federal employer identification number, how to open a company bank account, how to select an online payment platform. The business setup section. It covers how to edit your selected business plan, how to obtain licenses and permits, how to edit your financials. Included is accounting and record-keeping system. that has been set up on editable Excel spreadsheets to help you get a full understanding of your business financials. Instruction on how to find a mentor. Identifies the first marketing items you need to purchase. Explains how to conduct city and state competition studies. The marketing setup section. It covers how to edit your marketing plan, how to establish business relations, how to find out who your competitors are, how to market every day all day. The operations setup section. It covers drafting an employee handbook, drafting employee standard operations procedures, identifies the business financial numbers that you must know at a glance, how to provide the best customer service, how to set up letterhead and logos on your computer, how to purchase furniture, appliances and other equipment, how to develop your brochure and price list. The business operations section. It covers how to train staff, how to find software to make you smarter and work easier. Finally, a note section. It covers 13 important notes to keep you on track and motivated. Moreover, we created specific business plans for each niche. Each plan is thoroughly and well researched and will be one of the most valuable tools to help you become successful. In fact, the plans provide your business direction, defines your objectives and maps out strategies to achieve your goals. Also, the plan helps you learn about your business selection and to understand the different forces and factors that may affect your success. Even more, it helps you to step back and look at what works and what you can improve on, instead of worrying about what to do. The business plan helps to give you a sense of control over your business selection and your livelihood. We then provide you a marketing plan. The marketing plan gives you a systematic approach to developing your marketing strategies. The marketing plan includes understanding your business customers and competition, providing you with direction to compete and keep customers. The marketing plan sets clear, realistic and measurable objectives, includes deadlines, provides a budget and allocates responsibilities. Finally, we created Excel financial statements that provide cash flow, balance sheet and profit and loss statements. The financial statements help you accurately track the financial numbers that are crucial for running the day-to-day operations of your small business. In addition, the financial statements ensure your products and services are priced right, identifies what your margins are, determines your cash flow and makes understanding your numbers easier. Starting and running your own small business could be one of the most enriching experiences of your life. If you want to start a profitable business with the best chances of succeeding out the gate, you can't go wrong entering a market with a Right Step Business Startup Kit that is already proven to be profitable. Visit rightstepstartup.com/index.php/shop to get your business startup kit and get started in business today. And don't forget to subscribe, share and comment on this video. You know someone that would like to use a startup kit to start a successful side hustle.